Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to fried Yee Mee with tomatoes. Hope you like it. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, rutin, lycopene and fruit acid, which can lower blood cholesterol and prevent atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease. Tomatoes have high nutritional value including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, folic acid, etc. Most people mention lycopene. Tomatoes are especially suitable for eating at dinner, as they can help the body synthesize a type of fat-reducing fatty acid at night, which can help control weight and maintain health. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Yee Mee. Tomatoes. Eggs. Soak Yee Mee until softened. You don't need to soak it for too long to avoid affecting the taste of the noodles. Drain Yee Mee and set aside. Tomatoes wash and cut half. Beat egg until frothy. Fried egg and cut into small pieces. Add tomatoes and stir fry until release red oil. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce to taste. Add half bowl soup broth. Add 1 teaspoon salt to taste. Add Yee Mee. One teaspoon oyster sauce. Stir fry until gravy is lesser. Plate noodle. Let's eat. This fried Yee Mee easy to make and delicious. Save this recipe and make it yourself. Yee Mee, also known as Yee, is a fried egg noodle popular in mainland China and Hong Kong, and is a classic Cantonese staple. Yee Mee is one of the famous Chinese noodles, and due to its widespread spread and improvement among the people, it has spread to all parts of the world. Because Yee Mee is similar to modern instant noodles, some manufacturers still name their instant noodles Yee Mee. The lycopene and vitamin C contained in tomatoes can be antioxidant, help resist ultraviolet rays, promote the synthesis of subcutaneous collagen, and achieve beauty and whitening effects. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Although tomatoes are good, for some people, eating too much and too frequently can also have obvious side effects on the human body. The following 8 types of people should eat less tomatoes. People who are allergic to tomatoes, people with kidney dysfunction, people with irritable bowel syndrome, people with gastroesophageal reflux disease or heartburn, people who are prone to stomach and abdominal pain, people with urinary incontinence and cystitis, people with migraines, and people who are worried about skin discoloration. Tomatoes and sweet potatoes are incompatible. Eating them together can cause stones, vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Tomatoes and carrots are incompatible. The vitamin C in tomatoes will be destroyed by the decomposition enzymes in carrots. Tomatoes and salted fish are incompatible. Eating them together can easily produce carcinogens. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.